There's a lot of flexibility in how you can design the program to fit your interests and mesh well with the skills that you already have. I wanted to transition myself from the engineering work I was doing before to this industry. I was able to learn a lot in a short amount of time to see what the industry looks like.
We want students to have more than just technical skills. We want them to be good communicators. We want them to understand something about leadership. We want them to understand something about themselves. And we also want them to have some quantitative, qualitative, methodological skills that could be used in other arenas. In an MPS program, the projects are all real world, here in this country, internationally, out in the field, working with growers, working with different communities. Those all result in something tangible and something useful.
I want to impact the agriculture system in the future, making these systems more viable and easier to grow food locally and sustainably around the world.